Hi everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xc0000142 error in all programs on Windows 11 or Windows 10 in just 1 minute, guys. So no problem. First, we need to know about this issue. Generally, this issue occurs application was unable to start correctly 0xc0000142 error in Windows typically indicates a problem with the application's initialization, often related to corrupted or missing DLL files or compatibility issues. It can also be caused by outdated software or problems with in-system files. So the potential solution is just re-register DLL files. So guys, just open the command prompt. You can just go to the search and just hit the CMD. And guys, while opening the command prompt, make sure just make sure that you have to open the command prompt run as administrator. Just go and hit just allow to yes. And now guys, you can see here. Now you have to perform the commands, two commands, which you can take it from the my video descriptions. I have already given there. So now just guys, just go and just one by one, just copy paste. Yeah, just hit that one. And again, you have to copy the second command. Just copy paste, guys. Yeah. And after that, guys, just go and restart your system. Restart your